Hello viewers, you're most again welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Ladu Elias Chuma. I'm very much excited to meet you today in this video, and in this video I am going to teach you some basic features in Microsoft PowerPoint that you may need to know. I'm done I'm done with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. If you haven't seen my videos, it's so amazing. Just rush and check them out and you see them and you watch them. Yeah, and in today's videos, I'm going to tell you some basic features that you need to know in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And therefore, I am going to create a new Microsoft PowerPoint document. And I put Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is what I'm going to do. And as I will just save it in any way that I want. And therefore, I'm going to open it, and after opening it, then I'll be showing you those basic features that you need to know in this. So, and this is Microsoft 2, this is Windows 210, this is 210 version, and it's Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, and so, and once you open it, it brings you to this interface, and as you can see here where my cursor is, it's showing that click to add first slide. So I can just click on it and it comes, and this is the title slide, and whereby I can put anything that I want here. Like, okay, let me say I can put presentation, yeah, like that. I can put presentation. I can even put like my name, yeah, like my name, my name. I can put like that. Yeah, I can put like that. This can be my whatever. I can put anything that I want concerning my titles, but this one can go. And then you come here, like if you want to add a new slide, like if you want to do some presentation and you want to add a new slide, this is where you come from. So you click on this and it shows you those slides. So you can put the title and content slide, you can put a blank slide, you can put a title only section, and therefore if I click on this, it gives me the second slide, and therefore I can put my title in the way that I want. So I can put this title, you and me. I can put this title. After putting this title here, I can come here and it will show me that after putting this title, you and then gives me the layout of whatever thing that I'm going to present. I can enter, I can present, enter, present, and that is how it will be. Now, after that, you can as well put another one. You can decide to put this to content slide. I can, let me say, effects. Like in history, like they love those things of effects. So let me say effects of, let me say, how can I say, okay, let me say effects of physics. Now your presentation should match in what you are presenting in the slides. Like, and let me say heat, I can say this, I can say like mass, I can say anything. But even here I can put water, I can after water I can put anything, just that. Okay, it depends based on your presentation. I'm just doing this, just a quick reminder, this is not what a real presentation is, but I'm just doing this to show you. I want to show you other features, that's why I'm just doing this. Yeah, so do not be more concerned of it, but it's just for showing up. I want to show you other things. So after that, you can even put another slide, you can add your title, let me say math, and put math. You can put, let me say, goodness of math, goodness, I can say badness. Yeah, badness, any of which. Then you can say goodness, then you can say brainstorm. You can just put anything. Okay, like you can put it basing on your presentations that you want. And after that, these are the slides outline, the outline of the slides that we have created so far. So after this, then we are going to come to, like, you're seeing this insert here. This insert is where you can put some pictures. If you want to insert pictures, and say on camera roll, whatever, desktop. Therefore you choose the pictures that you want, and you can be able to insert them here. So this is where you can insert pictures. Then this clipboard is where you can insert pictures. Like let me say it's the system brings them to you. Let me say school pictures of school, then here they are, and therefore it brings you these pictures for school. This one you can choose any of which you want, and you can reduce their sizes as well. You can reduce their location that you want them to be. Yeah. So you can type the way you want, like let me say office, they'll give me features of a certain office, and therefore you can see the office that they're giving me, the features of the office. It depends on what you're putting on and there is. Yeah, that's how you can insert pictures. You can insert as well shapes. They're here. You can say this, I put this shape. You can just format it in the way you want. And we have this design here. This design is a format of the slide, the way you want them to appear. Have you seen this? I can say, like, if I put on that, then this will all appear in such a manner. And if I put on this, they will all just appear like that. Now, then we come for transition. Transition is like the way the slide is going to show when you put in a slideshow like this, and let me say random, and it's for this, and I put here, I put another slide like let me say this. Have you seen that? I haven't seen the effect being relayed. I put on this, and it shows that thing. Now, if you go to slideshow, of which I'm going to show you later, it will just display there in the way I've just put it there. And we have these animations, and for these animations will show you, like if I click on this, like the effect of these wordings, the letters, the way they are going to appear in the slideshow. You can put any of which, and you're seeing being related here. Also, as well click on this, and you see the appearance. I can as well click on this, and I click on, let me say this one, and I to show you how these wordings will appear. So that is all about animations. Then we have slideshow. Now for slideshow here, it's when you're presenting, you're going to use this slideshow in such a way that it's going to show the full display in the desktop, like just a full display of your presentation work. And in this slideshow, you can be able to format it in the way you want. You can be able to set it in the way you want, and you can be able to say that, like from the beginning, it's going to show from the first slideshow from the beginning, so to see it from the first slide. And if you put on from current slide, this is where, like, if I put the if this is the slide being displayed, so it's going to begin from this second slide here. Yeah, and you can as well set the time that you want for the slideshow. And I'm gonna show you, like, you're gonna enjoy how, and these are the other features that, like, this is the format, like if you want how it's gonna display, yeah, this is it. And the normal one, this is the normal one. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it. And then we have background graphics, like background styles. You can choose which style that you want in the background. Like let me say this black, it all shows the black one. This one, white one, it shows those white whatever. You can as well hide them, and if you hide them, that is how it's gonna be relayed here. I can, like, let me say hide. It shows like that. But if I want to unhide it, I just unclick here. Yeah, I just click here, and it comes like that. And basically, you can as well format the background here. This is where you can format your background. Like let me say hide background, page pattern. You can choose any of which just you want. You're seeing it being relayed in the background. You're seeing it being relayed there in the pictures. You're seeing it. Yeah, you're seeing it. That is how this hide whatever is. Then picture text. This is like as well in a background thing that, and you're seeing how it's being whatever being relayed. The solid fill, like gradient. Then therefore you just edit it in the way you want. But for a good presentation, all your work should be like relayed in one format, such that, like this animation here, like the transition, you should just, let me say, you should just be relayed in one format so that you don't like scare and bore people with the effects that they are going, like it's going to show. So if I click on this and I click on apply to all, it's going to be applied to every of these slides. Yeah, it's going to be applied to every of them. And in the slide, so you're going to see them. And then, like, if I'll be showing the slideshow, you can as well take out from on mouse click, then therefore it is going to come automatic. But if you put on mouse click, so you're going to just click on the mouse or click on enter in your keyboard, and therefore during the slideshow it's going to show you the whatever the effect. Now therefore let me say just on the mouse click, and because it's mostly used in present, when you're presenting something you have to use it on the mouse click because so that it doesn't time you. Yeah, so that it doesn't time you. Now therefore I'm going to take you through how the slideshow is going to show. So I'll just begin, like say, click from the beginning, I put OK, and therefore you're going to see the effect. Now you've seen how it's being relayed. Then I click on enter, shows me another thing like that. Click on enter, yeah, like that. Another one comes in, click on enter. So it depends on how I set it. So this is how I set it, my wordings to come about in all those things that I've been showing you. So you've been knowing how these effects are coming all about. Yeah, how these effects are coming all about. And that is the end of my slideshow. Yeah, and those are the basic things that you need to know. So I can as well format them and take these features out, like in the slideshow, the way it has been showing there. I can just decide and take them out. Yeah, and these are some of the things that you also well need to know, like the text fill. If I put on this, you're going to see how it's gonna be. If I put on text outline, you're going to see how the outline is gonna be. Text effects, how the text will be showing. You're seeing how it's showing. Yeah, you're seeing how it's showing. Those are text effects. Then we can come here to shape fill, and these ones are also there in Microsoft Word. Yeah, it's there in Microsoft Word. I can put on this, I can put on shape outline, and like the outline of which the page, the shape will be. Then the shape effects as well. Yeah, you can choose on any of these. Yeah, those are the main things that you need to know. And this is a shortcut for the shapes, the other shapes I've been telling you. You can come and just put them, format them in the way you want. And therefore you'll have an very nice presentation and you'll really like it. So thank you for watching this video, and continue subscribing, liking my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, it's just a reminder that you can subscribe. Click on that notification bell, continue following me, sharing my videos, commenting, liking, or so that you always get my latest updates. So in my next video I'm going to tell you how you can do a presentation basing on these features that I've shown you. All of these features here that I've shown you, these features that I've shown you, you're going to do a very nice presentation. Work with Elias and you'll have a nice overview of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I hope you're ready to work with me. Thank you. See you in my next video.